everyone, welcome back to Animal Wonders. I'm Jessie. Today we have a very special gift to give to Huckleberry the Beaver. We've had Huckleberry for almost 3 years now, and he's always really enjoyed his igloo. He's made it his home and he feels really safe in it, but it's getting old and it's time that he gets a new one. We know a lot of people care deeply for Huckleberry and want him to be his happiest, so we asked if anyone wanted to gift him with his new igloo, and Sheena and Ken answered our call. So the igloo has arrived. I think it's the igloo. It's a huge box and it looks igloo shaped, so let's go get it and give it to Huckleberry. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Let's give it to Huckleberry. Hi. Hi, see you. Hi, buddy, I brought you a new gift. So I was just thinking that Huckleberry might not love his new hut right away. So what I'm going to do is let him keep his old hut and put the new one in here and then just move this one outside. Put it right back where he had it. Now, originally, this hut was over here a little bit further, and Huckleberry moved it around. At one point he put it inside his pool, but this is where he's decided that he wants it. He shoves things into place, he moves things all around, he moves these sticks where he wants them. You can even see in the other corner over there he's put a couple branches where he wants them. So if he doesn't like his new igloo here, he will simply move it. What I want to do now is move a little bit of the bedding that he had in his old hut into his new hut, and hopefully that will make it a little bit more familiar and he'll warm up to it quicker. So I put a couple handfuls of his old bedding in there. Now, we didn't make this bedding. Actually, Huckleberry made this bedding himself. It's some of his fur that he shed off this spring, and it's a bunch of just little shards of wood chips that he actually created himself. So we give him all these logs and branches, he chews into it, and then he creates these tiny little wood chips out of the stuff that he doesn't want to eat. And so he makes himself a cozy home, and if he wants to make it even more cozy, he'll simply grab all the stuff from his old igloo and bring it into this one. So Huckleberry might be a little sleepy right now because he's a nocturnal animal and it's daytime. So he does like to come out and have little swims in his pool during the day, but then he usually goes right back to bed after he grooms himself nice and dry. So I think he is ready to come up over here and check this out, bud. Come check this out. What do you think? It's a new home. There you go. Good boy. What is this? It's okay. Look, more food. Is it scary? I know it smells so weird, huh? All right, maybe we'll just give him some time to be with it. Hi, handsome. I put your food in the igloo. Do you want to try? What do you think of your new igloo, bud? Sheena and Ken gave this to you. And you know what they think it should be called? They think it should be called Jackson's Island. And from now on, it can be your new safety zone. Go check it out. Look. There you go, yay, fully in. Good job. Do you love it in there? What do you think? It's a pretty good hut, isn't it? Yeah, I think you're gonna be super cozy. Hi, bud. All right, you enjoy that, okay? I'm glad that you like your new hut. That was so much fun. Thank you, Sheena and Ken, for giving Huckleberry his brand new igloo. He's gonna settle in and I hope he feels super cozy very soon. If you enjoy seeing Huckleberry and you wanna get more up close and personal with him, we have a brand new program that we just started offering. Animal Wonders now has virtual tours, and one of the tours features Huckleberry. If you're interested in learning more, you can go to our website, animalwonders.org, and I've also put a link to the virtual tours page in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Bye!